Good morning, it's 7th May, and yeah, it's Wednesday. So today I'll be looking at basically Bitcoin starts to put in beautiful structure. We made the validation MB. These are two MBs on entry time frame now, just waiting for a flush and set up new entries because we are in a motion from these points. So yeah, that's about it basically. Then gold made the flush, which is perfect. Just needed first MB, second MB, and keep going. The same thing goes for this gold. Then Euro stocks, I was looking at entry like this. Basically first MB, this as the second one, and inside here the fractal, but it failed completely, so nothing really here to do. And yeah, then Italy, still at the same prices. This was a break even yesterday. Yeah, so Italy, nothing really to do. Needed first MB. Probably we'll see some kind of a flush again and then set up later on, I think, but again, we'll see what happens. Then US market, really nothing. Yeah, we could call this as an MB, and then this as an MB, but yeah, I don't know. We need MB again, so we'll see what happens. And today we have a Fed rate decision, so it's very important. So we'll see how market reacts to that. And oh, by the way, no, yeah. So we have a flush on US30, so I need a MB to the other side on 6 hour, and then I will look for entries if it does it. So right now we're playing exactly as I was speaking, I don't know, in Monday or Friday. Basically last week I was speaking about this. If we pause on the EMAs and start to build that momentum MB with a flush on 6 hour time frame and then break up, then I will look for entries. But if we right now start to fail below the EMAs, then I will start to look for sells. So yeah, we are right now doing exactly that. So we'll see if we break up, then new trend, etc, etc. But at the moment, nothing really. Then Nasdaq, the same thing, also flushed, I would say. Yeah, need that MB. DAX, it's just too extended on validation. Really nothing to do. There could be, like, let's say this could be the first MB, this could be the second MB, like yeah, but nothing really at the moment. And like I said, it's too extended. Yeah, so I need a flush. I need a reset. This is a full cycle delivery. I need a reset and then new entries. So yeah, nothing on DAX for probably today. Then Japanese, yeah, we don't have anything really on, I don't know. Spain, UK, nothing really. US oil keeps pushing higher, so nothing really to do. Coffee still, coffee isn't open at the moment. Copper doing nothing. Silver, it's building that momentum. It looks very nice, like really. Yeah, it looks nice, but on entry time frame we don't have anything really. We had a flush. This here we took yesterday at the entry. Got in the trade, got stopped out. So we could potentially expect this, pause this. So yeah, I'll be expecting that, just because also the 6 hour looks very good. Yeah, I will be looking at it. It just looks very nice. Of course, it doesn't mean that we will get an entry, but or take profit, but still it looks nice. So all I need is this. Solana, nothing really. Yeah, needed the validation a bit. So yeah, basically that's about it. What's up? So basically looking at gold. This is first MB for me after the flush. Now building the second one. So if this candle closes right there in 12 minutes, then I will place an order, stop somewhere here, And yeah, and then looking at silver, nothing really, keeps on pushing down. So yeah, nothing really at the moment, but still looking good for potential buys. Yeah, then Euro stocks didn't do anything, pulled back, and yeah, still I would say we are valid to look for entries, but yeah, if it does something like this, then I will call this as a flush and wait for new setups, pause and keep going on the higher time frames. But at the moment it still looks okay if it makes the setup. Italy, nothing to do. I need a flush, or actually we had a flush, but I need MBs, so nothing. I think we will have some kind of deeper mitigations, but again we'll see what happens. Then US market, US 30 flushed, as you can see, so I need a MB, pause, keep going, or at the same time, like I said before, overall I'm still bearish just by looking at 2-day chart. So I'm happy to take buys if market sets up right now. If it does something like this, then I will look for shorts, because then we will have double MBs to the downside, EMAs will switch on 2-day time frame. We have 1, 2, building third. Yeah, we had one to the upside, but still EMA is bearish. So looks nice. But at the same time, we could start a bullish trend. So this could be the first for buys, MB. And again, if it makes right now MB to the top side, pauses on the EMAs, inside there makes what I always need, double MBs, that's where I will take a buy. But the same thing goes if it creates second MB to the downside. So long story short, we'll see what happens. So yeah, Nasdaq, same thing I would say. I would say we have a flush right here, or yeah, it's not the best looking. Anyways, I would say that I want to see flush right here and then set up new entries, because we have first MB, second MB, move now in motion. Yeah, so I don't know right now. DAX, nothing to do because we are extended, and this one nothing. Spanish index nothing, UK nothing, US oil nothing, coffee still nothing, copper, Solana. Do we have? Ooh, we'll see where this candle closes. Yeah, 9 minutes for this candle to close. So got tapped into the trade, gold versus Japanese yen, waiting for the strength, and then we'll place my stop on a break even, and like usual 1 to 2 and 1 to 4 are my take profits, and yeah, so this, since the last clip it has been 10 minutes, so nothing really has changed. Yeah, hopefully Bitcoin, if it does something like this, I would say this is first bearish MB to the downside, so I would call this as a flush, and then if it sets up new entries, that's fucking perfect for me, and we'll be looking at it. So yeah, then the standard gold, nothing really at the moment. I need that first MB. Either it's this, the small one, or there's the big one. It doesn't really matter. And then pausing for one candle, making the second MB, and I'm taking that. And that's basically about it. There's nothing really more. Yeah, US market dropping. So yeah, so I'll be back once something new happens. Yeah. So yeah, still in this trade, almost got stopped out, but yeah, so still in a trade. Hopefully it now pushes. In 9 p.m. basically in 3 hours we have Fed rate decision, and basically if market stays in this position, in somewhere in here, I will just close it, just by manually with the loss, because I really don't want to. I think this Fed rate will be very volatile, because if Powell will not cut rates, then I think this market, especially gold, could really skyrocket, but there could be big spread and big spike like this and this, or let's say this and this, I don't know, but spread could be like, right now spread is basically zero on gold, but there could be spread like here when the news is announced. So yeah, and if he at the end of the day cuts interest rates, then we could see this for gold market. But yeah, it's really, we'll see what happens. But if we are somewhere here, then I'll probably leave it, because, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. What's up? So I'm back. I was out playing football. Yeah, basically, like I said, I closed the trade literally right here. Right here, and basically I lost 1k, and yeah, now market fell down, but I closed it before the FOMC. Right here, as you can see on the balance, I lost 1.1k approximately, so it's minus 0.3 R. It's okay, but yeah, at the end of the day, as you can see, there wasn't any kind of a fucking volume. Like, probably because market is just pushing so much day by day. Like, every market is pushing like very hard every day, and there's huge volatility, you know. So so yeah, but this was minus 0.3, so I'm happy with that. And to be honest with you, we missed a loss, so that's good. Good, I would say, good risk management. Yeah, so now it's evening, market will close soon, there's no trades that I could take. So I will write minus 0.3 and just move this away. Oh, this is May, so let's create a new group. May. So yeah, with that being said, what do I need from this market right now? I would say this all is a fucking one chop. So I need this and this. I wouldn't call this anymore as an MB. This as an MB. They are MBs, of course, but it's just too choppy for me. So I will wait for something like this above the EMA. So basically, this all is one MB for me. So if market wants to go, I need it to do this, pause, this, yeah. That's about it. Then if you look at, but overall, again, this market is good. I will look at it for tomorrow, etc. Bitcoin, fucking beautiful. We got a flush, beautiful flush. Just waiting for this, pause, go. So that's about it. Then standard gold didn't do literally anything. This was the new scandal, and yeah, still here. This is where we are. So yeah, this, pause, go. That's what I am waiting for. Silver, really nothing. Setup is cancelled completely, and yeah, oil actually is really good, I would say. Yeah, for oil I need a flush and take an entries to the downside. But let's go back to the silver. Silver, nothing really to do. It fails. It has failed everything. So I think no trades on silver for some good time. Italy pulling back, which is great. But like I said in the morning, I think that basically we will probably pull back, and that's what we have done. Flush, so MB1, pause, MB2, that's it. US 30 doing really nothing. So again, like I said many times today, either this or this. And I will take entries in here to go up or in here to go down. Nasdaq, the same thing. DAX, still need a flush. It's extended. There's nothing really to do. Need a flush and new entries. Japanese index, nothing to do. Spain, nothing really to do. Yeah, nothing really. UK 100. US oil, like I spoke about, very fucking good. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I just need it for it to pause. This is enough for me, and this is my entry. So that's what I'm waiting for. Coffee, consolidating. Copper, nothing. Solana, I think we don't have, yeah, so still chopping around, nothing to do. But I think good potentials are Bitcoin, both golds. This one has failed. US oil has good potential. Euro stocks, nothing anymore. Italy has good context. And I think that's it for tomorrow. Yeah. Then the US 30 and Nasdaq, we'll see what they do. Okay, so that's it for today. We have lost 1k today. that's 0.3 R. I'm risking 5% on my trade, so from the 5%, 1k is 0.3 R, something like that, maybe 0.4, I don't give a fuck, but we lost just 1k, so yeah, that's it basically for today, and see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.